Hey guys, in front of me is POCO M5 and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. So at first, open your phone dialer, then click on More and select Settings. Here just click on Voicemail and now select Notifications. Here click on Sound and just pick the one that you wish to apply. So as you can see, you've got the categories here. Select the one that you want to apply. For example, this one. Hope you can hear it clearly. So if you want to apply it, just tap on this tune icon, tap on OK, then wait a couple of seconds till it's downloaded, and as you can see, from now on it is applied as your voicemail notification sound. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.